The PlayStation 5 has been out for a few years now, and with new consoles always on the horizon, some of you might be wondering, is the PlayStation 5 still worth buying in 2025? Well, I've got 10 solid reasons why the PlayStation 5 is still a must-have console this year. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. Let's jump right in. Reason 1 is that the PlayStation 5 is finally easy to actually buy. Remember back at launch when buying the PS5 was like winning the lottery? Well, the first few years were a nightmare. Scalpers, shortages, waiting in long digital queues just for a chance to buy one. But in 2025, that's all changed. Walk into a store, online, and boom, you can finally buy the PlayStation 5 without paying double the price on resale sites. This alone is a huge win. While buying the PlayStation 5 is a huge win, it's nothing that compares to the PlayStation 5's game library, because that is massive. At launch, the PlayStation 5 had a handful of great titles, but now the game library is stacked, from Sony exclusives like Spider-Man 2, God of War Ragnarok, and Last of Us Part 2 Remastered, to third-party blockbusters like Elden Ring and GTA 5, and Final Fantasy. And don't forget, 2025 is bringing even more heavy hitters like the GTA 6. At least that's what they're saying. But if you love great games, the PlayStation 5 has something for everyone. Reason 3 is the next-gen performance that still holds up. The PlayStation 5 was built for speed and power, and even in 2025 it's still one of the most capable gaming machines out there. Thanks to its ultra-fast SSD, loading times are practically non-existent. Games run in smooth 4K with support for ray tracing and high FPS. Not really PC FPS, because a PC costs around several $1,000, while the PlayStation 5 is around $500, so you can't really compare it. But it's one of the best consoles out there. Whether you're playing on a high-end TV or maybe a gaming monitor, the PlayStation 5 is designed to deliver top-tier performance, and honestly, most games today don't even push the PlayStation 5 to its limits, at least not with games I have played. And if the PlayStation 5 might seem a little bit bulky to you, you can now choose between the PlayStation 5 Slim and PlayStation 5 Pro. One of the biggest complaints about the PlayStation 5 was its massive size, but in 2025 you have options. The PlayStation Slim is more compact, sleeker version that saves space without sacrificing much of the power. And if you're someone who wants even more performance, Sony has dropped the PlayStation 5, and it's rumored to have the most fastest graphics and load times on any console. So whether you want a space-saving console or the absolute best performance, there's the PlayStation 5 that fits your needs. Reason 5 is the PlayStation 5 exclusive games. PlayStation 5 has always been known for its exclusives, and the PlayStation 5 era has taken that to another level. Let's just look at the lineup. The Last of Us, Horizon Forbidden West, Ghost of Tsushima, and of course Spider-Man 2 and Spider-Man 1, and also Spider-Man Miles Morales, a lot of Spider-Man games. These aren't just great games, they're industry-defining experiences. And with more exclusives coming, like Wolverine and whatever Naughty Dog is working on next, the PlayStation 5 remains one of the best consoles for single-player storytelling and jaw-dropping visuals. Reason 6 is the PlayStation Plus. Back in the day, PlayStation Plus was just about getting a couple free games each month, but now it's a full-on subscription service with a massive game library. The extra and premium tiers give you access to hundreds of PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 games, and premium even includes classic PlayStation titles and cloud streaming. Whether you're into modern or nostalgic classics, PlayStation Plus in 2025 is easily one of the best deals in gaming. Reason 7 is the PlayStation VR 2. If you ever wanted to step inside your favorite games, the PlayStation 5 has you covered with PlayStation VR 2. This isn't just an accessory, this is a full-on next-gen VR experience with 4K HDR visuals, eye tracking, and ultra-realistic immersion. Whether you're playing Horizon, Call of the Mountain, or Resident Evil Village, In VR, PlayStation VR 2 brings a whole new level of gameplay to the PlayStation 5. Reason 8 is the DualSense controller, one of the best controllers in the industry. The PlayStation 5 DualSense controller isn't just a step up from the PlayStation 4, it's a whole new experience. The adaptive triggers make every shot, swing or acceleration feel unique. Haptic feedback lets you feel the game in ways that no other controller does. Even built-in microphones come in handy for a quick voice chats. This isn't just a controller, it's an innovation that makes every game more immersive. Reason 9 is the backward compatibility to older consoles. One of the biggest concerns with upgrading to a new console is losing access to your old games. But with the PlayStation 5, that's not a problem. It's fully backward compatible with PlayStation 4 games, and it even runs better than ever with higher frame rates and improved resolutions. That means even if you missed out on any PlayStation classics, the PlayStation 5 lets you experience them in the best possible way. Reason 10 is the console ecosystem. Between remote play, cross-play with PC and cloud gaming, the PlayStation ecosystem is more connected than ever. Want to play your PlayStation 5 games on your phone or tablet? Remote play makes it easy. Prefer to play with friends on PC? Cross-play supports has expanded to even more games. PlayStation ecosystem isn't just about the console. It's about gaming wherever and however you want. So there you have it. 10 reasons why the PlayStation 5 is still a fantastic buy in 2025. Whether you're upgrading from PlayStation 4, switching from the Xbox, or just now getting into gaming, the PlayStation 5 offers an incredible experience. But what do you think? Are you picking up the PlayStation 5 this year? Let me know down in the comments, and of course don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming content and more tech content in the future, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Well, that was all for this video. Hope you liked it, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.